Good afternoon, all. Mark Galvin with ePresence. I wanted to share something that just came up in a conversation. This was a request that came from Diana Murphy. She is the CEO coach at Diana Murphy Coaching LLC. Good friend of mine. She sent me a note today and said someone had shared her post and she was wondering if someone wanted to share a post to a company or a group page, if that is a good thing. And ultimately, this comes from the question here. If you want to share something to your personal page, it is better for you to simply like, in this case, I celebrated the post, either like it or comment on it. It is best not to share. And the reason is you break it into two posts when you share it. If you like and celebrate, you maintain that post's own organic reach. It grows for whoever you're liking or commenting the post for, and it also shows up on your feed. It's just simply a better way to get the algorithm to push that post to more people. However, if you're interested in sharing a post or commenting, liking a post to a company page, you can't. The only way to take a post and push it or share it to a company page or a group is by sharing. You cannot direct. So I can't take this and say I love this and push it to my company page. That's not possible. I have to share it. So I'm going to show you how that works. So here, if I click share, watch what happens. I get this window that pops up, and here I have a pull down menu at the top, and I can select which company page I can share this to. So I want to share this to my company, the ePresence. I hit done, and now you can see that's where it's going, and I can go ahead and make my comments about the post where it will appear. I can spell comments, where it will appear on the company page. The other thing is what if I want to push this to a group? In that case, I'm going to come here to the next pull down, and here there's a few things I can do. I can push this to Twitter also. I can push this just to my connections, because if you can think about it, anyone on LinkedIn can see the original share. Here, if I just want my connections, I can do that. Or notice down here, group members. So if you want to share it to a group, we're going to click there, and now all of the groups in which I'm a member and I had to be accepted into these groups would be listed here. But I want to share this to my Power Core group, so I'm going to select that and click Done. Now these comments will go to Power Core, so I could share this with just those teammates. No one else will see this unless they're a member of my Power Core group. That is how you can share a post to a company page or to a group. I hope that's helpful. Have a great day.